I used to wear my scars like armor in the dark. Every broken promise left a permanent mark. Built my wall so high, no light could get through. I was safe but I was lonely till I found you. You didn't rush my heart, you let it breathe. Held my silence like a melody. Now I love you deeper than the ocean ever dreamed. Stronger than the shadows that were chasing me. I was shattered, I was lost, I couldn't see above. But healing taught my heart a different kind of love. Now every piece of me is finally enough, and I can give you all this fearless, endless love. Fearless, endless love. I don't love you from a place of fear, not to fill a void or dry a tear. I love you whole, I love you free, not who I was, but who I healed to be. And if the past comes calling back again, I won't run, I won't pretend, 'cause now I know just what I'm made of. A heart that learned to rise and love. Now I love you deeper than I ever thought I could. Not because I need you, but because it's good. Every broken road led me to your touch, and now I'm not afraid of loving too much. Yeah, every part of me has opened up, and I can give you all this fearless, endless love. After the rain, I finally see love was waiting here for me. And now I know what it means to love you endlessly.